I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make French vinaigrette easy method. Whisk together 3 parts oil and 1 part vinegar, add 1 teaspoon mustard, salt, and freshly ground pepper. Then slowly drizzle oil while whisking to form a smooth emulsion. Taste and adjust acidity or salt, and store in the fridge for up to a week in a sealed jar. Gather simple ingredients: oil, vinegar, Dijon mustard, salt, and an optional sweetener like honey for balance. Measure 3 parts oil to 1 part vinegar and keep a small bowl or jar ready. Warm a tiny pinch of salt for better dissolution, then whisk or shake energetically to combine. Taste and tweak with more acid or a dash of honey until it matches your preference. Use a small bowl and a whisk or a jar with a tight lid for effortless emulsification. Start by mixing vinegar, mustard, salt, and any sweetener, then slowly stream in oil while whisking to bind the dressing. Add minced shallot or herbs at the end for texture. Always taste and adjust seasoning before serving to ensure a balanced, bright vinaigrette that coats.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.